Welcome back to another technical video. Today, we'll be going through your question, answers, and hopefully finding that solution that you're looking for. Guys, remember, stay just a little bit crazy, just like me, and hopefully get through to that resolution. Now, let's continue on. And that's it, guys. I hope the video helped find the resolution that you're looking for and you got the answer and worked your way through. If you did, please hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And until the next time you need technical help, I hope you have a good one.